Hey everybody, it's Aldo from the show and Rob from Drift Outfitters.
Hello.
We're actually in Drift Outfitters right now, but we just got back from a wicked trip in Belize.
Check our tan lines out.
Wasn't it so much fun?
It was great. It was a really good trip.
And we put together this video about the trip. So in this video, you're gonna see us travel to Belize. You're gonna see us fish for 3 days with some guides. And the back half of the trip, we actually spent DIYing, which was pretty awesome. So you're gonna see that all in this video. Rob, did you have a good time?
It was a phenomenal time. Fishing was great. We had some great guides. We got some sun in midwinter. I don't know what else to say about it. It was a really good time. It was exciting, fun, and what a wonderful break from our winter. So all huge positives.
Totally. Well, we hope you enjoy the video. And yeah, if you want the full details from the trip, just watch the podcast. It's the first morning in Belize. I'm here with Rob.
Hi.
Mark, and David Adams. It's the first time in Belize, which is pretty sweet. We're meeting some guides. It's 6 in the morning. The roosters got us up at 5:30. Travel yesterday was awesome. Got here, San Pedro, super cool place. Got some pina coladas last night, eh, Rob?
Oh, they're so good.
And then, because the bar is attached to our hostel, which is wicked, and we're staying right on the water, so the guides pick us up right here, so it's super, super easy. We just leave our room, got the rods, got the sleepy kitty. And we got David Adams.
Good morning, David.
Good morning.
Yeah,
Good morning.
it's first morning. We'll get on the water, meet our guides, and see what we see.
Starbucks out here.
Morning, how you doing?
Bonefish, I love tarpon, I love snook, jacks. Jacks are fun. I like all sorts of things, man.
Okay.
You have a fly shop?
Yep.
I almost asked that this morning with all the stuff you brought. I'm like, shit, you brought a fly shop. It's like an Avalon, but just green. The green, I'll tie sometimes. I'll do the gotchas.
Yep.
One that I tie sometimes like in just bright green.
Yeah.
And it freaking just switches. Ooh, that was a fiery tail.
Yeah. 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 Buddy. Oh yeah, I do. Go for it. Got him. Heck yeah, dude!
That's Mexico, this is Belize. There's a man-made border right here, dug up by Mayans like a couple thousand years ago.
Great day. Fantastic flats. The sun, the blue water, great visibility. It's been a spectacular day out here. Super permit for our boat. It's been a great one. So new from Sims for 2025 is the Sims rope. Now this rope is a fantastic product. It's adjustable for all of your rod rack needs on the golf carts in Belize or wherever else you travel in the world. Find it at Drift Outfitters in 2025.
I'd buy it.
There they go. The boys in the
Wow.
Can we change it to a bright yellow golf cart?
He hasn't even started drinking yet, so I don't know, guys. I see it, dude.
They were not having it.
No, they weren't. No.
She says she sometimes sees baby small permit around this side.
This
So.
is fantastic. Look at this place.
Can't go wrong.
Look at this place.
Tranquility Bay, north end of Ambergris Caye. Paradise, really?
Yeah.
I don't know what more to say.
Oh, is it a video?
I'm gonna tie another loop on this one.
It's a beautiful morning. We really got lucky with the weather the last couple days. Walked along the beach towards the point that we're going to be fishing, which I, for one, am stoked about. Let's see what we see, you know. Obviously, always nice to catch a permit, but it'd be great to run into some bonefish too, because anybody who knows me or watches the feed, you know I love me a bonefish. Yeah, should be just a great little day. Great little day. One backpack, 2 fly rods, a little bit of lunch. What more do you need? Maybe a pina colada stand halfway between here and the flat. But, you know, what can you do?